That's it.
Now, so if you want to go online and watch this video.
So this is Margot.
Margot, it's the worst ever chocolate bar eaten by anyone.
Right.
Good luck, sir.
I would read the ingredients, but they're in foreign language.
Well, you can't say ass in so many languages, really.
So how long have you had this? How long have you been back from Prague?
5 weeks.
5 weeks.
Just before the volcano erupted.
Oh God, it smells horrible. I don't like dark chocolate.
Describe the smell.
Oh, it's like cheap aftershave.
Yeah, it smells like cheap aftershave. Yeah.
That's what it looks like on the inside.
Oh man, good for the bite. It looks like a nice Mars bar.
It looks like it could be like a hobnob.
That's it. Yeah. Good luck.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
It's quite soft, isn't it? I'm too scared to soon. Oh.
Yeah. It's good radio. What does it taste like? Come on.
It tastes like it smells cheap aftershave. It's like drinking Old
It's horrible, isn't it?
It's like drinking Old Spice.
They were everywhere. They sell them everywhere. It tastes like out of date perfume, doesn't it?
Mm.
Like, think of the worst Turkish delight.
That's horrible.
I'm so sorry I made you go through it, but you had to experience the Margot.
We'll save that for a lucky listener. If you want to try it yourself.
Oh, if you want it, right, email in or write on Facebook that you want to try it, and we'll give it you. We'll give it you. We'll give you that. You can have that.
I disapprove.
Oh.
Because I've already joined the group.
Yeah.
So now I've got a reason to.
Oh.
Oh. It's one of them you're going to taste for days after as well.
Yep. I still taste it now. I can smell it in the room as we speak. It's absolutely disgusting.
Yeah.
But if you want it, let me know and I'll give it to you. I'll personally come round to your house and let you eat the Margot.
It's a bit like Bounty when you got bits.
But it's like a Bounty. Right, I'm killing the video now.